everybody, good morning, namaste. This is Santosh. You are watching your favorite channel. Yeah, I'm gonna make some video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment, and finally subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, please. Thank you so much. Here we go. Some items are kept on the table, so I'm going to clean this first. So I'm gonna introduce about this tree. This one is Borko rook. Nepali, in our Nepali culture, Nepali says like that, Borko rook. This is very famous. That's why it is very famous. Hinduism people worship this tree, like Nepal and India. So I would like to say that. Hello, hi everybody, good morning, namaste. You're watching your favorite channel. I'm gonna make some video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. And finally, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, please. This tree had been brought from my relatives before 12 years ago. So I will report into the big pot. So I've kept this pot on the floor. I have already this one. Alright, I'll start my good job. Please don't go away, stay with me end of this video till finishing this video. Okay, thank you so much. everybody, we're welcome to again. Shoots are coming from every branches. When shoots will come out from every branches completely, then it will be very beautiful bonsai. Again, I will make other video and I will upload on my channel. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, welcome to back again. Before 2 months I had uploaded that video which one the tree did not have any leaves and shoots. Right now the tree has been covered with leaves and shoots, so that looks and that will be looked very beautiful bonsai, and I will upload that video. I had told you that guys everyone. Right now this time it's come, so I'm going to make you see this tree. Let's check out over there. Okay, here we go. The tree trunk has been covered with the soil. If I cover with soil, this trunk will be huge. The more and more that can be huge. So this is the new method, this is a new technique. So I covered this trunk with some soil. Actually this tree has been matured and it has been planted into the just temporary fruit. I'll prune every branches and roots, then I'll be repotting into the nice big one bonsai fruit. Okay, and it will be beautiful, it will be more and more beautiful bonsai in coming future. I think so that because it has already big trunk one, sufficient branches, sufficient area roots also has been come out from every branches, so it's looking very beautiful bonsai. Actually this tree is very mature, it has a big trunk already. Yeah, I have covered with some soil this trunk. If I cover this trunk with soil, it will be grow, it will be big trunk, thickness trunk very fast. So the area roots also will come out from every branches, then it will be very beautiful bonsai. Okay guys, alright, other thing as usual, let it over here, no need to describe, no need to say anything about this tree. Finally I will trim every branches and roots, and I'll be reporting into the nice bonsai pot, and it looks very beautiful bonsai. Okay guys, the time is over. I just wanna make video again and I will upload that video. Till this uploading video, I just wanna say bye bye everyone. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment, and please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.